I'm Fischer, working for ATS, heading the international sales of our banding systems. We're here, glad to be back at drupa after a long time and introducing our new US 3000 machine, which is launched and will be delivered the first machines in mid of the year with the much more user-friendly HMI, with the good accessibility for maintenance and with the proven reliability of the existing machines. We have a lot of good discussions with interested people if it comes to sustainability. People are more and more asking for sustainable products and we provide them. We do have film that has recycled content in it, and we also have our true paper, which is a fully recyclable paper. So we are ready to support you in your way to the sustainable production.